guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy you're here, and if you're new, welcome. I'm Lisa. Today we are talking dangles, everything that dangles on a journal. We're talking those gorgeous side dangles, the dangles that are hiding inside the journals somewhere, the dangles that are hiding inside the journals, and the dangles that some people put on their pages. Like I said, we're talking dangles today. So come with me and I'm going to show you two really simple ways to make some long dangles, and then some ideas for just adding that little cool touch to your pages. Okay guys, so I've got a mess, right? It's crazy. These are my examples. I'm going to show you how to make this one. This is just a bunch of different ribbons and lace all together around I call them keychains, and some beads added on. And this one is by Elsa Bell's Bookshelf. It's attached to a journal that I got from Elsa Bell's Bookshelf. And I'll link her shop below as well. And I'll show you how to do this one as well. And then in this journal, which I received in a swap, these are the page dangles. And again, we'll go over these as well. And they're in the centers of the signatures. There's one here, and then one in the center of another signature. So we'll talk about those in a minute too. So what we're going to do first is we're going to start with that big one that was made of lace and different ribbons. And I have pulled out a bunch of my lace and ribbons here. I kind of have them in bags by color, and if it's lace, if it's ribbon, whatever. And I have a whole bunch here, as you can tell. But I've gone ahead and kind of already grabbed my favorites, what I want to use. Which is good, because everything else is kind of all knotted up. Oh. I just can't keep laces and ribbons neat. I just can't. It's impossible. Okay, so basically, to make the one that was real big, basically to make this one, okay, you get however many pieces of lace and ribbon, and you could use yarn, you can use seam binding, you can use whatever type of tie thing you want. You could use shoelaces if you wanted to, okay? Whatever you have, you can use. You can use fabric strips. You can use whatever. I have chosen some of this, what I call eyelash trim, the green. Then there's this pink. It's kind of like a netting. It's very, very pretty. It's different colors. Then this is like a ribbon, and it's very pretty. And then I wanted to throw some bling in there because everything's got to have a little bling, right? And this is a gold shimmer, and it's the same material as the pink one. Now what you do is you get all of those and you balance them out as best as you can. If you're better at it than me, good. If you're not, don't worry about it. And then you get a keychain, and you can buy a whole bag of these keychains at Walmart, at Amazon, wherever craft stores, you can buy them, okay? And all you do is thread one side of your conglomeration of ribbons, threads, everything through. Okay, like that. And then all you do is take it about a quarter of a way down with your fingers. Take another type of ribbon tie, and this one's also sparkly. I don't know if you can see it. And you tie it around. So here's your keychain up here. And you take it and you wrap it around a few times. And then you tie it really tight. Okay, and then you trim it. And that will hook onto your journal. And how do you hook it onto your journal, you're asking? With a ball pen. That's all you do, is hook your ball pen onto here and then hook it onto your journal. That was so simple, so easy. You can use seam binding, yarn, lace, ribbon, fabric strips, anything you have to make this one. And that took a whole 2 minutes. Okay, now the next journal we're going to do is going to be a keychain journal. And I've already started, and I've put some charms on here, and they're just adorable. And then the way that you could add a little bit more to it is take some beads, whatever color beads go with your journal you're doing. And of course the charms, you can put things that will match your journal as well. Okay? And I'm going to add these charms with silver ball pens. These things are great. They help you connect dangles to keychains and stuff, and it's just wonderful. And that's another dangle, and then you can attach this by using those same ball pens, and then attach it to the fabric or the side of your journal, whatever it's made of. Okay, you just attach it in, and then you close it. And you have an awesome journal that was super easy to make. Okay, now for our third type of dangle, we're going to talk the ones that actually go on the pages. And these are probably the simplest to make. I'm going to take this off so it doesn't make a lot of noise while I am moving this journal around. Okay, I'm going to take that off so you can hear me and not hear it banging. Now, an easy way to add a dangle to your journal is if you use a doily or if you put some trim on the side of a page. That is a great location to add a dangle from, okay? If you don't have any trim on the side of a page, a fun way to put a dangle also is on a tag. You just attach your ball pen at the top, like, oops, hold on. You just attach your ball pen, see, like that, okay? And it's through the ribbon. And then you attach whatever dangles you're going to put. I'm going to put a button. Okay, and there you go. And that's how you add a dangle to a tag. Now, if you want to add one on a page, like I said, if you don't have any ribbon on the side, an easy way to do it is just put through the paper. Okay? And buttons are great interest and great ways to add dangles to journals. Okay? So you just pick your page wherever you want to add your dangle. Maybe you want to add it at the bottom down here. Okay? And this paper has holes, so I'm just going to put the dangle through the hole and then put it through the button and close it up. Okay? And there you go, like that. Like that. And it's that simple. Now, if you don't have holes to add a dangle, just poke a little hole. Or like I said, add some trim. Up to you. On this one, I'm just going to poke a little hole. Like that. And then there you have another dangle. You can add buttons, you can add charms like I have, like, you can add buttons. Buttons work great. You can add charms like in my journal here. You can add buttons. You can add little charms with the theme of your journal if you want. Those go great. You can add beads. You can do whatever works. Another way to add some dangles is to take a safety pin and string some beads on there and then just attach those to a page as well. They add interest, and just attach those to a tag as well. They add interest and will dress up any plain tag. If you don't have ball pens, but you have tiny little safety pins, those can attach all these things as well. So definitely don't freak out if you don't have ball pens. you don't have to have ball pens to add a dangle. Okay, and there we go. And there's that one. So we're talking dangles today, guys. So we were talking dangles today, guys. I hope you enjoyed all the different types of dangles we talked about. I hope you enjoyed the video today, guys. Take care, and I'll see you tomorrow.